The goal that we are looking at is evaluating functions, linear, quadratic, or cubic. We have four different functions here, f, h, g, and p. Let's find f of -3, g of -7, h of -4, and p of -2. Starting with the first one, f of -3. So plug in -3 into f. So we're going to plug in -3 into this function, okay? So that's going to be, plug in -3 right here. So 5 times -3 minus 3. Whenever you guys are evaluating these function values, feel free to use your scientific calculator. This will give us -15 minus 3. So the final answer should be -18. But whenever you want to check your answer by using the calculator, I want you to take a look. I'm going to type in this much into the calculator and see if it comes out to be -18. My favorite is Desmo's scientific calculator. It's free. So look, I type in 5 times -3 minus 3, and that comes out to be -18. So definitely double check your answers when you get to these PEMDAS, okay? Next one I'm going to do is a g of -7. So I want to plug in -7 into g. G's right here. G's right there. So let's plug in. G of -7 is, plug in -7 right in there, okay? So -2 times -7 squared minus 3. So according to the order of operation, you need to square first, multiply by this -2, and subtract by 3. But if you're like, you know what, I want to just use a scientific calculator, I'm fine with that. So look, I'm going to type that in. I'll do -2 parenthesis -7 squared minus 3. The answer comes out to be -101. All right, let's do two more. The third one that they want us to evaluate is h of -4. So find h, here is h, and we're going to plug in -4 everywhere they have x. So you notice this function has x's in two different places. You need to plug in -4 into both x's. So take a look. H of -4 is this 3 times -4 squared minus this 3 times -4. So once you set it up correctly, we can go ahead and plug this in to the scientific calculator. So I'll go bring up my Desmos again and type in that yellow boxed expression to get the final answer. 3 times -4 squared minus 3 times -4. The answer is positive 60. Okay, last one now. I'm going to find p of -2. P of -2. So plug in -2 into this blue function. Let's see. So we will plug in -2 right there. I'll do the work over here, okay? So that is -3 times -2 cubed minus 2. So you will want to cube that expression first, multiply by -3 and subtract 2. But you know, I can use this tool too. We have a tool that we get to use. Look, -3 times -2 cubed minus 2. The correct answer is 22. So that is how you can evaluate different functions. Linear, quadratic, another quadratic, and this one was a cubic function. And that's it.